ever since I saw these eggs, I cannot stop eating them. I've eaten 6 eggs today. I'll tag the creator that I first saw it from below, but it's so good. Look at this. Let me show you how to make them. You take your boiled eggs, then you take and squeeze lemon. I love a lot of lemon. Take your onion. I've used yellow onion. I've used red onion. I like it with all the onions. I love cilantro, so I just pile it on. Then a jalapeno on each. Honestly, then I just squeeze a little bit more lemon on top. Sprinkle some salt. This is the best chili crunch ever out there. I'm running low. I don't even think I'll have enough for every egg. Look at this. Okay, let's eat it. The chili crunch on top is just a game changer. Jalapeno is just a different type of spice, and then like the lemon is sour. So good. It's just so good. Go make it for yourself right now.